In every ordinary day, there are thousands of miracles. If only we have the eyes to see them. We all share in the sweet mystery of life. We love, feel, cry, care, and believe. We yearn to become more and to help others as we strive to make a difference, however grand or small. Deep inside every one of us, there exists a source of belief, a light encouraging us onwards. However we choose to describe it, faith is the expression of hope. It sounds of comfort, the recognition of beauty, the healing touch